Hey, Ritter here. So yeah, everyone keeps asking about these XT60 LEDs. I get them from Pyrodrone. They come in these little thing here. Then you get, well, I got the 5-pack of male and female. I should have just got the, I don't know. I think they're male because the in part inside is male, but I don't know. I think these are the female because yeah, you know. And I think these are the male, but I bought the 5 and 5 instead of the 10 of all one. But whatever. It's basically this is how you make it. You put the LED in there, and then strip wrap. This one got banged up. I'm just gonna put shrink wrap on it, and I'll be fine for one more go. But I think they're like $2, something like that. A lot of fun. Let's see. What colors we got? Blue. Green. This one is green. What's this guy? Oh my god. Is this gonna catch on fire? Oh, well. Blue. Didn't catch on fire. Good. Alright, that's the Pyrodrone XT60 LEDs. Now we get the these two. Right on. Oh yeah. Get some shrink wrap. I think this is, what is this, inch in millimeters. What is this? I don't know what the hell it is. It's about 1.5 inches, 1 3/8. Count the boxes. All right, peace.